Hello and welcome to this video. Now, I've had a new hobby. This is picking locks, and I'm going to be doing videos on my progression on lock picking, and also my ideas and bypasses and security, that sort of thing. So this lock I've been using for playing with for a while, and I can now open it in a pretty reasonable amount of time. So I'm gonna do that on video now. I'm gonna hit up a timer here and see how long that's gonna take me. So pick right back. And I just want to so I know what the back is. One of those security pins. I'm moving forward, taking each pin as I go. Now there's a large movement on pin number 2. Just trying to get back. I feel it. Pin 5 6 is quite low. Just seeing which pin is coming. Yes, that pin number 3. Pin number 2 there. Going back. Pin 6. Nothing. Pin 6. Pin 5. Nothing there. Pin 4. 3. Pin 2. Get a little push. Push more. 1. Just go. To the back. Pin 6. Pin 5. 4. 3. Pin 2. Pin 2. Falling right back down. And there we go. That is it picked. But like I said, I've picked this lock in particular far too many times, and so today I went out and I bought a need those. Bought a brand new one. Haven't opened it out of the box yet, and I'm gonna see and talk you through what's going through my mind. So the locksmith I did buy it from, they had taken out the packet, but I hadn't, so let's check it works. Beautiful. Throw that away. Don't need those keys. No sorry. So let's try this again. I'm kind of nervous about this. Alright, so putting my tension wrench in. I know this fits. Because this lock is the same lock. Here we go. Okay, timer. Okay, go. Alright, so I'm going to start right at the back. Feel for the 6th pin. Very light tension. Okay, and pin 6 is... feels already bound. Pin 5 feels bound. Pin 4. Movement on pin 3. Okay, so it feels like 2 has got a security pin in it. And I don't know about the others. Okay, lifting up pin 6. Lift up pin 5. Pin 3, 2, pin 1 at the front. Okay. Pin 1 seems interesting. Going back again, trying to feel which pin. Okay, so that was pin 6 being set. A little bit of a false set at the moment. A lot of noise coming out of the lock. Is that movement on pin 2? This is where I'm wondering if security pins are in the same place. Okay, no. Okay, so I'm go back. Okay, pin 6. Pin 6 is solid. Pin 5 also solid. Pin 4 also solid. Come on. Pin 3. There we go. Okay, so that was it. I don't know how long that was. If you enjoyed this video, give a link down below. I have some more coming up, and I hope you enjoy them. Thank you very much for watching.